Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics quickly. Attach a Canon-compatible AF lens and switch the lens to AF so the camera can drive focus. Once done, power the Rebel T7 and choose P, TV, AV, or M. These modes enable full autofocus behavior. Next, set the camera AF mode to one shot for stationary subjects or AI servo for tracking motion. This tells the system how to prioritize focus acquisition versus continuous tracking. Doing this first saves time and prevents common focus. Next, select a specific AF point so the camera focuses exactly where you want it. Press the AF point button and pick a single point or center cluster for accuracy. Then, compose and half-press the shutter to let the T7 acquire focus. You'll see a focus confirmation light in the viewfinder or hear a beep. Make sure to use the viewfinder AF for faster response, while live view gives finer framing but slower focusing. Choose based on speed versus composition needs. To finish, confirm focus, then smoothly press the shutter fully to record the image. If using AI servo, keep the shutter half-pressed to maintain tracking until you capture. If the camera misses focus, make sure the lens contacts are clean. The AF/MF switch on the lens is set to AF, and there's adequate light and contrast. Autofocus needs detail to lock. If problems persist, switch to single-point AF or set up back button focus to separate focusing from shutter release for greater control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.